Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is dead in the water. Dead in the water refers to an idea, proposal, or project which will not move forward. Let me give you some examples of how it's used. We have spent so much on the advertising campaign to no avail. From this day forward, it's dead in the water. We will have to come up with a new strategy. President Biden's student loan forgiveness plan seems dead in the water due to so many objections in court. Today's idiom is dead in the water. It refers to an idea, proposal, or project which will not move forward. Today's idiom comes from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com.